So let's say you have a students and you want to create certificates for them. You should have a template. It should be in Google Doc, and you will have a text like this: name, course, date. It can be anything, and you should start with a SheetMergy with a new job creation. You will name job name here. After job name, you can have a manual scheduled. Then you should go with the templates. You should choose from your drive, which is award doc name here, and you should go to next. With the next, there will be the spreadsheet, which the data will come here. In my case, it is template data. Then you should choose a tab and header. Next, and we should do mapping all the columns and the tags here. If you have a filters grouping, you can do it here, and then it will be, you should select which folder you want to save all the templates, PDFs. Then you can click the next button, and at the end, if you want to send the emails, you should choose which email you want to send, which is in your sheet, in your table, and message body here. And then you should create a job. Okay, and you will need add email subject. It can be anything. And you should start the job. You can manage your job in run history. And all the templates will be created automatically like this, and it will be sent to the emails. Yes, that's it.